Hey guys, it's me, Meagan Hesham, and today I'm talking all the little things around your home that you can do to inspire and make you feel awesome. Number one, tidying up. Okay, so I know a lot of people say, a lot of mothers especially, and busy people are big on saying having a clean house isn't what you're going to remember in life, and other things are more important than cleaning your home. I know I heard it a lot as a new mother. When I first had a baby, everyone said it's not so important to clean your house. You know, go sleep, go do this, go be with your baby, whatever. Cleaning your house isn't the big priority. I beg to differ. Not that I'm some neat freak and clean my house like obsessively. I am not that person, definitely. But I'm also not that person who can just have a messy house and be okay. I don't believe anyone can be, actually. I think people trick themselves into thinking they can be. It's just like when people gain weight and they say, oh, I'm happy like this and stuff like that. So I think people sometimes, I'm not sure. Maybe there are people who that's totally cool and they can function amazingly and have positivity flowing into their life with a messy, dirty house. To me, and I'm not judging. If that's you, that's great. I'm so happy for you. For me and for, I think, a lot of the population, it's gonna have a toll on you. It's gonna kind of affect you negatively, having that messy, dirty, like crazy stuff everywhere house. If that happens, and it happens to me on a daily basis. I mean, I have 2 boys. I have 3 boys. I've got a husband. So I've got a busy house of kids, and things are gonna go places. Of course, I can't get hung up on that. It's gonna be a mess sometimes. But I'm talking about little ways you can just quickly tidy up and feel amazing. Clear your space, clear your mind, kind of. Some people, if they're too busy, they decide to get a house cleaner, stuff like that. I don't go that route. I just do these little things, tidying up, doing a big clean every now and then. But as I go, as I go in life, I just tidy up. It might take a few minutes to just clear one surface. Maybe in the morning, you just clear up one surface. And that's good, clear your mind in that room. As you go through your day, you can clear up other areas. Like when I finish in the morning cooking, I clear up the kitchen area and then it's all nice and lovely. And looking at a clean counter with no garbage all over it and junk and toys and clothes, because that's what happens, right? Like everything builds up on surfaces. I think it's amazing. I have so many more creative ideas, and I feel like I can get a lot more done when I see a clear surface. So try it out. Even if you don't think that that's you and that you need a nice clear area like I'm saying, maybe you're like, nah, that's not me. Give it a go, just experiment. See if you feel better with like a clear area, just in one area of your house. Try it out. Try it in the kitchen. The kitchen's a big one. Kitchen counter, try clearing like almost everything off. Get everything off of it and have a beautiful clear space and see how zen you feel. So give it a go if you've never done it. And if you've done it, you probably know the benefits of having a tidy, beautiful looking home. And that leads me to my next point. However you want your life to be, make it that way. For me, we're talking home right now. So for me, I personally, when I look at home pictures and stuff, I'm drawn to a lot of white, a lot of clear, minimalist spaces. And definitely that's not what my home is like. It's not the reality. But I keep moving slowly towards that in little steps. It might just be one little area that's looking that way. It might be my office has a beautiful clear white desk with nothing on it. I do have that right now. And not a lot of stuff everywhere, not a lot of clutter. You can even think about it in your fridge. Okay, if you want to look and have the life of a supermodel, let's say. Let's just use that as an example. For me, it's probably like a fitness person or some inspiring athlete. That's probably what I'm looking for. Or a gorgeous superstar belly dancer. Envision the type of life you want to live. What's your ultimate life? So number one, getting that in mind is really important when you're going through all these things I'm telling you to do. It doesn't have to be an actual person you're thinking of. It could, if that helps you, like a celebrity or someone who you'd like your life to be going towards that type of life, that's cool. Or it could just be an imaginary person or an imaginary life. Just imagine what you want for your life and then think, okay, let me look in my fridge. Is my fridge reflecting the life I want to be living? So if I want to be living the life of a supermodel, let's say, that's not my dream, but I'm taking it as an example for you guys. I want to be living the life of a supermodel. You open your fridge door and you see like old McDonald's leftovers and garbage in there, bad things, super processed, yucky stuff. I mean, for me, I want to be a fit person. I'm going towards vegetarianism. So I don't want to open my fridge and see all sorts of chicken wings and old McDonald's bags. This is not inspiring. It's gross. It's not good. And it's tempting if you want to eat those things. You know, if you're tempted by some of those things, you know I have a big jar of Nutella in my fridge right now. Can't be helped because it was for the kids, but it's not inspiring. So I try and just kind of hide that behind some stuff. The other stuff, just dump. Get rid of all that garbage anywhere in your house that's not inspiring you. Same goes for clothing. Go in your closet. Are these clothes the clothes that you want to be wearing and inspiring you to be the person you want to be? Are the clothes exciting to you? Are you loving all those clothes? Anything that isn't making you feel like the person you want to be, toss it, get rid of it, give it away. Put it in one of those bins. Make it leave your home because it's not serving you. So only have things that inspire you and make you feel like the person you want to be in life. Same goes for, I like having things up on the wall. When I wake up out of bed, in my bedroom, I have my vision board. I have a bunch of inspiring quotes and stuff on my wall. Things like that. I wake up and I see all this stuff that's going to inspire me. In my bathroom, I have things that say inspiring things. In my YouTube room, I have things that say inspiring things. And if you want a quote of your own that's like personal to you, you can of course just print it. Print a big quote on the computer, write it in a lovely font, and frame it. Make it beautiful. Put it up. Don't put some ragtag piece of paper up on your wall. Make it beautiful. Frame it in a frame that you love. Make it a masterpiece up there on the wall that you want to look at and that inspires you every day. People make vision boards on Bristol board often, which it's an okay start, but for me, I always tell people to make vision boards on beautiful things. Frame them. I frame my vision boards like a piece of art. It's the most important thing you're going to look at on your wall, okay? So make things beautiful. Make everything beautiful in your house. Of course, not everything can be beautiful, especially if you have crazy boys running through your house, dirty shoes, toy cars, toy guns, toy Nerf bullets everywhere in your house. It is difficult, of course. First of all, we need to teach them to clean up their messes. That's a tough one. I'm working on it. But I like to teach them all these things too, right? Have your house something that you feel good with. Have your room inspire you. Even my son's room has inspiring quotes. He has Steph Curry, who he loves. You know, I can do all things. That's an amazing thing to see every day in your room. And you know, I think we need to do more of that. We need to do more of all that and let it speak to you. Look at it, say it. When you see these things on your wall, you know, say it to yourself. Look in the mirror. I can do all things. Yes. I'm a big fan also of having photos of you and your loved ones just in happy times. Fun vacations, moments in your life, things you want to remember. Here's me and my family. This was before Jad, so I gotta update this. Me and my family on the beach having an amazing time. The other thing I wanted to talk about were just little things that can make you feel so like $1,000,000. They're things like getting sheets that you love. I recently got some bamboo sheets. And wow, they're silky and they're lovely and I just love them. Get things like that that you love. What do you love? I love pajamas. whoa, I love pajamas, and I have some super soft pajama pants that I love to wear. Whatever it is, it might be different for you. Maybe you need a silk negligee, maybe woolly socks that make you feel so pampered and good, things like that. I have silk pillowcases that I love. It's little things like this that can make you feel so valued and so pampered and like $1,000,000. You know, it's just little things. Making your bed, that's another big one. This maybe should have been the tidying up and the things that take like a second to do but make you feel good. I never used to make my bed, but I make my bed every morning now, because when I get into it at night, into my bamboo and silk sheets and pillowcases in my awesome soft Cookie Monster pajama pants, I feel so good. I feel like I'm getting into a hotel bed, that nice, fresh, just made bed. So doing things like that, it might be different for you. You figure out what works for you. What is it? Having clear spaces. Something I really like to do is organize my glasses according to how they look. So it's all very beautiful and white and clear and metallic. It's not a million different colors, like, whoa, what a mess of a cupboard. I used to have that. I've worked really hard on just making it all lovely. So whatever it is for you, figure it out. What is it? Having your makeup table set up all gorgeous so you can just sit down and put on a face. Having fresh cut flowers, maybe. Think about things that can enrich your life. And it's very small things, but they can really make a big difference in life. Just giving back to yourself by having all these small luxuries. Everyone has their own thing that's gonna make them feel good. So make your home inspiring, make your home tidy and lovely so you can be creative and think and feel great about everything. It's small things and not a lot of time to make this all happen. A lot of people think, I can't clean my whole house, oh my God. Of course you could get a professional, that helps. Or you could just do it. Do these little steps. It doesn't have to be a whole house cleaning all at once and take hours. It could just be, you know what? I'm going to clean this counter area right now. I'm going to clean up my bathroom. And it's like daily, every day. A minute here, a minute there. You get it done. And it's amazing. You feel luxurious. You feel you're living the life that you want to be living. And yeah, I hope this video helped. Let me know what little luxuries you like, how you keep your house tidy and clean. I like to sometimes, you know, if I see a bunch of toys or clothes or something that shouldn't be in an area, if I'm going upstairs from downstairs, I just take them as I go. It's just like a thing I do all day. It doesn't have to be one-time cleaning all at once. So let me know your tips and tricks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe, and we'll talk soon. Bye, guys.